Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another unboxing and flip through, this time of the Archangel Power Tarot cards. This is by Radleigh Valentine as well as Doreen. This retails for $29.99 and it is published by Hay House. So it says, get answers and courage with the Archangel Power Tarot cards. This is based on traditional tarot, so it's 78 cards and it has a guidebook. So I'm kind of excited to see what it's all about. So let's go ahead and open it up. It's very thick. All right, and then we have the thick guidebook. All right, let's go ahead and take a look real fast as I move the stand. Okay, so it has how to work with the cards, the meanings of the cards, and it looks like each suit is a different, I'm guessing, angel name because these sound familiar to me. I don't know much about archangels and angels. I didn't really study that, so I'm kind of going into this blind. So hopefully it makes sense to you guys. So we have the suit of Gabriel, the suit of Raphael, the suit of Michael, and the suit of Ariel. All right, let's see if there's anything else. So it has a major and minor arcana. Let's see, the minor arcana are numbered. Blah, 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 blah. All right, so how to use, consecrate, ask a question, shuffle the cards. Okay, so then we have 3-card spread, the Celtic cross, and then the meanings. All right, let's see real fast if it says anything about. It looks like some of the major arcanas are also renamed, so we'll go through that in a second. Okay. Archangel Gabriel is known to be a patron of creativity as well as helpful and supportive guide to accomplishing all of our goals. Gabriel is chosen for the first suit because it represents the aspects of our lives where we take action, creativity and passion combined in order to empower us to make our dreams come true. This also reflects artistic ability, careers, and the desire to develop and grow. All right. I'm just going to go through these real fast so that way if you are like me and don't know, we're going to get a little quick education. The suit of Raphael, emotion can motivate us to accomplish many wondrous and exciting things. We reach out and touch the world with our hearts and suddenly life becomes all the more worthwhile. The suit of Raphael is all about falling in love, getting married, and having children. We cherish our families, whether we are born to them or choose them later in life. Okay, so this is to represent cups. And then we have Michael. The suit of Michael of human intelligence has brought us to many wondrous and amazing gifts. Okay, so that is swords. And then pentacles is Ariel. Okay. Non-physical, okay, perfect. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the cards now. They are a nice size. They are very similar to an oracle size, or a common oracle size, I should say. Move all of that around. And this is the back, which is beautiful. Looks like the different suits, which is fun. It's got a gloss, so if you're into that. And here we go with the major. So we have Leap of Faith, Archangel Metatron. Believe in yourself, listen to your heart, do what gives you joy. Well, that's cool that it has little sayings. The Magician, Archangel Raziel. Okay, these are not bad. They're a smidgen thin, so we'll see how they react to shuffling. But I don't dislike them. It's a little bit different from what I am used to as far as, I don't really think I have any real like angel kind of decks, but I think this would be nice if we're doing, you know, messages from your angels or anything of the sort like that, because it really concentrates that energy. Perspective, okay, so that's the Hangman. Peace, okay. Solutions, interesting. Very, very interesting. Okay. I don't hate it. I think it's something that we all could get used to really quickly. All right, so Gabriel, Wands. The pictures don't do a lot for me. Maybe they might in conjunction in a spread. I'm not super excited about the artwork. I do like how they do have the like keywords and a little phrase about it, because for beginners that could really help, especially if you're not sure with the renaming. They are kind of sticking together a little bit, but that's just manufacturing and with the gloss. Yeah, just opinion-wise, I'm not really loving the artwork. It seems a little weird to me, just like something's off. Just it's not like, I don't know. It's not terrible, but I don't love it. I do like the different border colors though. That's kind of nice. Especially as a beginner, you can kind of pinpoint, you know, what suit is what. I'm really going to have to like play around with these and figure out if I really like them, if they're really kind of my taste. But, you know, I mean, they're not terrible. I do, however, love this little dog, like little lassie dog there. It's super cute. There's just something that is kind of like that uncanny valley for the artwork that I'm just not liking. But it's not terrible. I like to see how things work before I officially dislike something. I like to give them a chance, and it's just not something that I would be drawn to, I think. Normally, it wouldn't be my go-to, I don't think. But let's give it a try. Let's give it a chance. There's not a ton of diversity. I would prefer a lot more. But again, this was an older deck. I don't know when it was first published. Maybe you guys can tell me if you know. All right, so let's go ahead and see how they shuffle. They are on the thinner side. Not terrible. I think it's one of those decks that we're gonna have to work in. But that gloss just kind of prevents a lot of that friction to help glide it nicely. Yeah, I think they're just gonna have to be broken in, and that's fine. Let's see how they shuffle this way. Boop. They stick a little bit, so yeah, they're gonna have to be broken in a little bit. I'm not a huge fan of the gloss because of this, but you know, to each their own. I'm not complaining. For $30, do I think it's worth it for $30? I don't know. I see the benefit of having something written here and up here, but I feel like the borders are just too thick for my liking. I'm one of the people that enjoy having more of the artwork be on the card than words. I like to use the artwork as intuition and use that to help further that, rather than, reading on the card. But however, for a beginner, this might be very helpful and beneficial to you. Again, though, with the different wordings of the suits and the different wordings in the major arcana, it might be confusing for a beginner, but it could be beneficial for you as well because they are changed to something that makes sense. So let's go ahead and take a look at what Two of Gabriel means in the guidebook, how it would read. First of all, the card says, make bold and ambitious choices. Great progress is possible. Important relationships with people who share your vision. All right, so Two of Gabriel. You're making great progress. If you're experiencing a pause in the action, then it's time to reassert yourself and get things moving again. Be bold and ambitious. You may have a choice to make. Don't let indecision keep you from going forward. The right choice won't come from your mind, so follow your heart. Important relationships are possible right now. Partner with people who share your outlook and passion. Additional meanings of the card are long-term vision, business partnerships, and showing great courage, gay friends or relationships. All right. So, pretty thorough. Not gonna lie, that's not bad. You do get some spreads, however, they are the common ones. And $29.99, I don't know if I would agree with that price. I got this on sale, so I'm not that salty about it, but had I spent full price on it, I don't think I would have loved it for what it was, just because I don't feel like I'm connecting thoroughly with it just yet. Like I said before, I'm not really well versed in angels or archangels, that sort of a thing, because I feel like that's more of a Bible-y religion thing. Not that there's anything wrong with it, not that there's anything, no negative connotations at all with that. I'm just saying it's not something that I was immersed in, so I don't know too well with it, so it's not connecting. I feel like the card is okay. It's not the worst I have, and it's not the best I have. However, it's going to work for you. It snaps back just fine. It shuffles okay. It's just one of those decks that you're going to have to break in a little bit. So is it worth $29.99? I don't think so. I feel like it could have been a little bit, I don't know. I got it on sale, so I'm not that salty. But if you compare, say, one of the Llewellyn decks, that's $29.99 to this, I feel like you get a better, you get more out of your money with the Llewellyn versus this. So again, I know Doreen Virtue is kind of like a polarizing character right now. I don't know much about her or the situation. I just know that she has written and published a lot of her own decks, and I believe some books as well. And she was one of the go-to people for her decks in the past. Now, a lot of people in the community are not following those decks as much anymore, or not purchasing her newer stuff, because if I am correct, and correct me if I'm wrong, she's kind of gone back on what she believes. So the feeling in the community is that she's not genuine. So if that's the case, the cards might feel a little off to you if you purchase them. I'm not sure. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know too much. Like I said, this is the first deck that I have that has her name on it, that I believe. So I'm not quite sure about any of the controversy. However, that's just what I've heard and what I've seen around. So let me know if it's changed, or if I'm correct, or if I'm completely off base. Let me know down in the comments. And also let me know, do you own this deck? Do you love this deck? Will I love this deck eventually? I do feel like it would be a beautiful card, a beautiful deck to use for spirit guide messaging and the such, because it seems like it could be very powerful and get the right message across. But I need to work with it a little bit more before I and get to know it a little bit more before I start using it for such. But let me know what you think, and let me know if you own this deck, what you think about it, if you love it, or if it's one of those decks that have just been put aside because you don't connect, or if this is something that you are excited to purchase or has been on your list, let me know. And other than that, I hope you all are doing well. I hope you are all staying healthy and staying inside and social distancing. And other than that, hopefully you have a wonderful rest of your day. I'm going to try to deal with my dogs at the moment. They're begging for stuff that they shouldn't be. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. And let me know what you think. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.